Hey Tyler, there's two ways to come up with an XY chart on this one. The first way is just putting it in your calculator since it is a base 10. You can just go to y equals in your calculator and type it in like this. And you should be able to know, like, you can't plug in 0, so you can start by plugging in like super small numbers. Like you can plug in like 0.1, you could plug in like 0.5, 1, 2, 10. Anything above 0 is fair game, and then that will give you some really pretty y values. So that's the first way and probably the easiest way. The other way is kind of using like the whole knowledge base behind it, knowing that like the inverse of it is 10 to the x, and then doing like an XY chart. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 is what we would pick for that kind of a graph. Plugging in so you get like 0.01, 0.1, 1, 10, and 100. And then flipping that XY chart will give us the log. So -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. 0.01, 0.11, 10, and 100 here. But then because we have this kind of like +2 in the back of our problem, that moves it vertically too, so we would have to add 2 to this to get 0, add 2 to this to get 1, add 2, add 2, add 2. So that's another way to make your XY chart. I hope that was helpful.